straight out of the box, you're going to get 3 parts. You're going to get the main table, and you're going to get 2 rails for your MOLLE panels. The rest are just accessories. You're going to get foam tape, you're going to get some wipes, and you're going to get a bag of hardware and the tools to install those hardware. You're also going to have some colorful instructions right here. If you are watching this video, you're not going to need it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and apply alcohol to the surfaces of these rails because we're going to be sticking some foam tape on them. The provider gives you some wet towelettes, but I'm going to go ahead and use my own. I'm going to use some alcohol and a paper towel. Go ahead and clean up the surfaces really good here. You're going to clean up the inside rails, not the outside part, just the inside part. We're going to get all the contact surfaces that are going to be touching our MOLLE shelf. We're going to grab the small rectangular foam tape right here. Go ahead and peel the backing off. This is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be sticking it to the end brackets right here. We're going to go to the top surface. Make sure it reaches the edge. We're going to wrap it around here and make sure it makes contact with the inside portion right here because your table is going to be sliding in here and hitting this. We're going to do it to the other side. Next, we're going to notice that one of the surface has a hole right there, and so does the other rail. They both have holes at the end. We're going to find the foam pieces that have holes in them already. And the other end doesn't have a hole. The hole is going towards one side, and we're going to find the lower side of each rail here, and it's going to be on this side right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the backing and tape it up. Start on one end here, go to the other side, apply some pressure. And if there's excess, you can go ahead and trim it off. We're going to do the same for this rail. Look for that hole and start applying. Okay, now next we are going to take care of this surface right here. So we got the side of the rails. We are going to take care of the bottom portion where our table is going to be sliding onto. So we're going to grab a foam piece, we're going to match it up. I found one that fits nicely. Go ahead and take off the backing. Make sure it's not one of the long strips that has 3 holes in it because that is reserved for this surface with the 3 holes. There you go. This one is a solid piece. I'm going to take it all the way to the end here and just apply it nicely. Okay, now let's go ahead and take care of the top surface. This is going to be your mating surface to your MOLLE panels in your vehicle. Now go and grab your foam piece that has 3 holes in it, peel off the backing. You're going to notice that the holes are going to be towards one end. We're going to match it up with the proper rail right here where these holes are towards one end, that side. And we're going to go ahead and tape it up. We're going to take the other foam piece, knock out the 3 holes, peel the backing. We're going to line up the holes and just apply the foam, apply pressure. Perfect. Now you're going to go to the passenger side of your MOLLE shelf here and you're going to count in 2 rows. 1, 2. On this second row of holes right here, you're going to be using this hole, the center hole, and the furthest hole. Inside your bag of hardware, you're going to have an Allen screw, a flat washer, and a split ring. We're going to take the Allen screw, place in a split ring, then a washer, and we're going to make 2 more. So we have 3 ready to go. I'm going to go grab my rail right here. I'm going to notice the backing. This one has a backing and this one doesn't. This side right here has a hole on the side. We're going to take the backing portion and we're going to face it towards the engine. This is going to face towards your tailgate. We're going to take these 3 holes right here and we're going to line it up to this second column of holes and we're going to install our screw. grab the Allen key that they provide us, go ahead and lock it in. Now we're going to go to the driver's side, count 2 columns over, and we're going to hit the same holes. The middle one, the furthest one, and the one closest to us. We already have our hardware ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and hit the middle one first. The supplier provided you this eyelet screw that you're supposed to keep in here, right here. This is just to hold your table in place while you're driving. You don't have to screw it all the way. Just screw it until it sits flush with the side of your rails here. There you go. I can feel it and let go. We're going to do it for the passenger side also. Remember, before installing your table into your MOLLE panels, this hole right here goes towards the tailgate, not towards the driver, okay? Now I can go ahead and slide my table inside. Beautiful. Before you drive off, go ahead and spin this in. This is to go inside the holes at the end of this table so it could hold it into place so it doesn't move all over the place. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do the same thing for the other side. There you go. That table is firm. Beautiful. And you don't have to remove the screws completely. You just unscrew it maybe about a couple of threads and the whole thing just turns out. This table right here, you could flip it upside down as well. So what should we do now, guys? Let's set up our table. Come on. First, let's go ahead and remove this bar right here. This is going to be our accessory holder. You're going to take this and you're going to push it down and move it out of its slot right here till it escapes. Swing it out. On the other end, all you have to do is just detach it and the whole thing comes out. Now grab the bar that you just removed and go ahead and extend it and lock it into a long extension bar and set it aside. Next, we are going to concentrate on these 2 bars. Let's go to this end. We're going to take one pole, push it down, and release it out of its holder. Same thing with this one. Push it down and release it out of its holder. Now you're going to go to the other end and you're going to slide it out of its slot. Now we're going to take a look at the leg stands, okay? We're going to grab this bar because it's overlapping these leg stands. We're going to pull it up. And we're going to lock it into place here. Lock it. Lock it. And we're going to do the same for these set of legs. Extend it and lock it into place. Now we're going to flip the table over. There are going to be threaded holes at each corner. We're going to pick 2 corners that we're going to thread our poles into. We're going to move to the other corner right here and do the exact same thing. Remember, righty-tighty. Now we're going to grab our extended bar. It has 2 holes at each end that are going to loop into the ends of these poles. Inside the bag of hardware, they're going to provide you with these dome nuts. You're going to go ahead and screw this on. Same thing with this side. So what do you guys think? This is the perfect barbecue setup. I got my table right next to my mini portable Weber grill. This table has plenty of hooks for pots and pans, tongs, spaghetti strainers. I even hang my trash bag at the end of my table over there. And this is the perfect height if you're going to set this up right next to a campfire where everybody else is sitting around the campfire while you're cooking and grilling. I know a lot of you guys are going to have that table that flips down here, but I'm going to tell you right now, you are going to be the only one that's going to be standing up while everybody is chilling at this height. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around. I got a little something for you guys if you guys are interested in adding on to your MOLLE. So not only does High Flying provide you this MOLLE type barbecue table, this can be converted into a utility shelf. If you're not going to be barbecuing for a while and you want to keep your SUV more functional, besides just camping, High Flying also sells these hooks that can attach to the shelf or attach to your MOLLE panels inside your truck. These are all metal, but they are coated in velvet and they're protected, so there's no metal to metal contact. If you get the long ones, they can go sideways like this, and all the holes do line up with the holes inside these shelves. And if you don't want the long ones, you can go with the short ones that hang this way and hang this way. And let me show you what it looks like in the vehicle. Definitely for people that don't like using Velcro straps.